Hi there, I'm Graybuck, Major League Fishing Pro, and today I want to talk to you about the Megaware Skeg Guard. This is made out of 18 gauge stainless steel, super high quality. It gives it that nice mirror custom look to your motor. But not only does it look great, it also performs awesome as well. So I put this on all my boats that I get. It protects my skeg. So that part here in the front, and it also has this welded on tab that's a little bit extra width on there, because that prevents when you either drag out of a boat ramp, or what I do a lot is idle lakes that I haven't been to before. So I'm traveling all over the country, and when you go through an area that you might not be familiar with, there could be sand, rocks, whatever down there. And instead of getting those little shark bite teeth marks and getting your paint all chipped off, you put the Skeg Guard on there in less than 10 minutes and you have all that protection. It's super simple to install. You slide straight up over the skeg itself, drill 2 holes and thread the bolt on there for each of them, and it stays on then. It has a drain hole in the bottom, which is great because if water gets in there, it'll drain through, nothing will rust or get corroded. And this also can be attached to people's boats that have already had damage to their skeg. So if you were running down the lake and say you took off a chunk of it like that, you can actually, as long as you have 2 to 3 inches left on the top there, you can slide this right over your remaining part of the skeg, attach it, and you got the performance of a brand new boat. So if you're interested in checking out the Megaware Skeg Guard, head to keelguard.com.